Oil prices trading at around $87 a barrel. But why? Anthony, I had to put that question to you because we have, WTI at 87, Brent's at 109 here, but we heard a lot of disappointing growth factors coming out of Germany, the EU, China, even the U.S. Why is oil still so high?
Yeah, I would certainly agree with you that the numbers don't point for higher oil prices and that we should be lower. And my thoughts are that oil right now is being used as an investment tool rather than just for the industry alone and just for the supply and demand figure, and that people are using it. And my thoughts are on that is because, you've had such wild swings in the equities markets that, believe it or not, people may be looking at commodities as a safer investment right now or less volatile.
How long is that really expected to last? Because at some point you got to look at the curve and say, you know what, prices are lower headed out. That points to weak growth or points towards a recession. So when does that mass exodus, the fear premium, come out?
I don't know when it comes out, but I completely agree with everything you're saying. I think that oil is priced way too high right now. When you look at, them ratcheting back the growth of Germany and China's growth being ratcheted back, and of course of this country, and manufacturing down and consumer spending down, it all points to lower oil prices. So as far as using it as an investment, I don't know how smart that is because I do expect one day for this to come off $5, $6. Certainly if I could predict it, I would be a rich man, but I can't predict it. But definitely, I would play this from the short side by selling rallies.
No, but $5, $6 still isn't that much. So what do you think the real price of WTI and Brent should actually be right now?
Well, I think of where the dollar is because, you have to get that into the factor, too. We have a very weak dollar. And when you look at the dollar index, it's in the 73 handle. If that dollar index was closer to 77, 78 handle, oil would be about $60 a barrel. But it's not right now. So what I'm looking at is definitely where the dollar is right now, the 73 handle, we should get down to about $75, and then let's see how support reacts around there.
And what about Brent? Does that give it to 100 or under 100 at that point?
That should get it to about $100 to the Brent. I don't know about under that point. It slightly dipped about that, but a lot of the traders looked at that as a buying opportunity.
So you're short now on all days. What are you doing with the rallies? You get hurt then?
I do get hurt, but you keep your stops close, and really I'm so really convinced that the short position is right, that as it does rally, I add on more to the shorts.
All right, thanks so much, Anthony. I appreciate it. There you have it. No good reason why oil is heading higher. You got to short it. Thanks.